Hello everyone, welcome to my page. In today's video, I would like to talk about how we can export a table from a PDF document into either Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. And hopefully it's going to be a very useful tip. So let me go to the first page. This is a document that I have opened on BlueBeam. So I go to the File menu, Export option. Let's try the Word document first. I go to the Word document and then page region. I can select the entire table and then let's see what happens. It takes a while, but not really. There we go. We have it. A very nicely formatted table, and it's not a picture. It's actually in the format of tables, and I can copy paste it into Excel or do anything that I want with it. So let's go back here, and this time let's select a larger table such as this one and see if we can export it into Excel. So again, File menu, Export Excel Workbook, and Page Region. And I am going to select the entire table because why not? Let's see what happens this time. There we go, we have it. A very nicely formatted table. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that it does not always happen this neat and clean. Sometimes the table is messy depending on the quality of the original document. But regardless, once you have it opened here, you don't need to make the table again. You don't need to type these words and numbers again, and you just need to come here and reformat it. I hope you found this tip useful. Please consider subscribing. Until next time, have a very nice day and life. Bye.